Hi everyone, happy holidays. So today I'm going to give you a little tour of the White Elephant holiday decor. So keeping it relatively simple this year, I do have 2 trees. Sometimes I have more. This year I only have 2. And these are both artificial trees, and one is an evergreen and one is flocked. And the flocked trees are so cool because they're the white snow. Gives a little snow kiss on top of the tree, which is really fun. And I reserve the flock tree for the kids, so any ornaments they made by hand over the years when they were little, I still have them, and ornaments that were gifts to them and that they collect go on that tree. And then the other tree is our family tree. So we collect ornaments when we travel, and every year it's kind of fun to just keep opening those ornament packages and seeing where we went. George is going completely nuts because it's storming outside. So anyway, and grouping the trees together makes a great statement. So just remember, grouping things is always a great idea in design. So I'm gonna spin around to our mantle that we don't have, that I created. So here on the mantle are 3 strands of garland. Well, there's multiple of each, but 3 different types of garland. So an evergreen, this really fun kind of trendy sage green, is kind of like feathery looking garland, and then an ornament garland. So it has that fun little shine to it, a little shimmer. Group those together. I just use command hooks, all across here to kind of create that little swag and that festive feeling there. So pretty easy, really. And then up at the entrance, so again, keeping it really simple up here as well. Here I just did some fun little twinkle lights, some fun little butterflies and birds, and a couple other nice things. This vase lives here all the time with these little green balls, so just zhuzhed it up a little bit, as Brandy would say. So that's about it at the White Elephant, keeping it relatively simple. At the bar, it's not on right now because it's light, but Grant does have some red and green accent lighting going on. So happy holidays. I hope this helps with your holiday decor. Share with us what you have too. We'd love to see it. Bye.